Are you ready to build more robots? And I say yes. All right, so today what we have here is a cool tank, and this one we're gonna call it, it's not just the name on it. So the name on it is the triangle tank. Now in this case, this one is the mechanical part only. So when we need to look in this video, let's see what we get and what we need to make this functional and allow me to go almost in any type of terrain. So let's check this out. So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from mediaboxentlab, and yes, we bring you like more robots to the channel, right? That's pretty cool. So let's put this together. All right, so let's look at in an overview of the box and see exactly what we're building. So we call it the triangle robot. This is from OSEPP. Now remember, the nice thing on this is also compatible for MedBlock or Lego techniques, so you can mix and match. I personally work with the MedBlock, and this one is aluminum alloy, where it make it easy to put together or mix match. Now compatible, sure, depends what motherboard you're gonna install here. So if you and it can be Raspberry Pi or an Arduino, right? But this is part of the motherboard. So let's do that. Now that's very important. Like I said at the beginning, this is the mechanical only. So you will have to either get a control board for the motors, or what you can do is grab the motherboard from this company and put that together, or maybe mix and match and grab from MedBlock and put it here. So any way you want it and to get this going, right? So it depends what type of project you're looking into it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave you a few links right below this video. Some of the parts you can include here, so say like a control board or the Arduino, or they actually bought the cell special for that. So I give you that idea. We will leave those links right below this video. Okay, so now we see the part list. Okay, and now in this case, we see the wheels here. Let's open one now. You guys can see the finish of this, and real nice finish because this is aluminum alloy, super lasts long time, forever, and it looks pretty cool and easy to put together than acrylic. Acrylic is more easy to break. So, and this is all the parts. This is just the body. So this will be the only things you need for the body. All right, so this is all the body parts. That's what you're going to put the batteries. So not many parts. All right, so let's check those. So here we have the tracks, would allow me to go all terrain. So it will be a lot of fun to put that together. Nice thing, it comes with the screwdrivers and all the things to put that together. You have the battery holder. The motors are DC motors. Okay, so in this case, this was a 9 volts. Okay, 25 millimeter DC motor, and it's 185 revolution per minute. Nice heavy motors here. So here we have the ultrasound. So we see here it has also the servo. So we see the servo right over here. Then here we have the rest of the parts to put that together. Nice, huh? All the screws and everything has been labeled, as you see here. We need to follow the instructions. Okay, so here we have the DC motor connectors. Right, so this one includes everything. What I noticed, this one, so we're gonna have to download. All right, yes. So in this case, this is just the part. Doesn't bring me the instructions how to put it together. So with this, we have to go onto the website and and download the PDF to be able to put that together, right? But it's pretty simple and it's nice. So I guess next time we're gonna make it this put all together and make it work, because I'm waiting to get the motherboard. Oh, let's see how I'm gonna mismatch these things and to put this cool robot functional, right? Because when you put the mechanical, this is okay. What is next? Okay, so this is just an open box little overview what you need. So when you get this product, just remember that you need all those parts, or if you have all these parts ready, you may be building a project where you want to combine things around that becomes perfect. Okay, so as you see now, I show you all the parts, what you exactly need, what I'm gonna do. Like always, I leave the info. Like I said, right, I told you right once in the middle video. I will leave those things right below, and I'm sure my next video, right, will be actually the functional robot here on YouTube. So I'll see you next time. Bye.